Good morning, children. Welcome to class 3 English 2. Previous class we have learned lesson 2, the golden mangoes. Do you remember that? What we have learned in previous class? Yes. We have learned about Tenali Rama and Krishna Devaraya. Krishna Devaraya's mother expired and he called some pandits to perform the death ceremony of his mother. But the pandits were very greedy people. They suggested golden mangoes and the king agreed, but Tenali Rama, the advisor of King Krishna Devaraya, understood this was the plan of the pandits, and pandits were trying to cheat the king, and he decided to teach the greedy pandits a lesson. For this, Tenali Rama said to the pandits to come to his house also to conduct his mother's death ceremony. So according to that, the pandits came to Tenali Rama's house, and Tenali Rama said to the pandits, I am going to burn your skin with red hot iron because this was the last wish of my mother, but it was not fulfilled. So in order to get her soul in peace, he has to do this activity. Okay, so what happened next, that we are going to learn. So a servant who was holding the red hot iron in his hand approached the pandits. So the Tenali Rama said to the pandits that I am going to burn your skin with red hot iron because it was the last wish of my mother. I was unable to fulfill the last wish of my mother. So in order to get her soul peace, I have to do this, and I am going to burn your skin with a red hot iron. So a servant who was holding a red hot iron in his hand approached the pandits. The terrified pandits shouted. Terrified means very afraid. Okay, the pandits became afraid because they thought Tenali Rama would burn their hands. So they terrified and shouted, Tenali Rama, it is not fair. You cannot invite guests and ill-treat them. Tenali Rama, this is not fair. We are your guest and you are ill-treating us. Okay, don't do like this. But Tenali Rama replied, you were fine receiving the golden mangoes to fulfill the last wish of the Rajamata. Then it is also fair that you should be fine receiving burns with the hot iron bar to fulfill my mother's last wish. So what did he say? Why it is not fair? You were fine receiving the golden mangoes to fulfill the last wish of the Rajamata, and you got the golden mangoes from the king to fulfill the last wish of Rajamata. No, you received that. So why did you receive that? In order to fulfill the last wish of the Rajamata. Okay, so this is also fair. If that was fair, this is also fair because this is my mother's last wish. What was the last wish of Tenali Rama's mother? Burn her skin with red hot iron. Okay, then it is also fair that you should be fine receiving burns with the hot of iron bar to fulfill my mother's last wish. So what happened? The pandits were ashamed. That means they understood their mistakes. Okay, the pandits were ashamed and asked Tenali Rama to forgive them. That means forgive means give a privilege. Okay, to forgive us, give one chance to understand our mistakes. Okay, forgive us. Then they also left all the golden mangoes behind and went away. They left the golden mangoes there in Tenali Rama's house and they went away. Who went away? The pandits went away because the pandits understood their mistake. And Tenali Rama was also wanted to do like this. Okay, That means he wanted to wanted to teach the pandits, greedy pandits, a lesson. And he done only that, okay, by saying this. So the pandits were ashamed because they understood the mistakes of them, okay. Then when Krishnadevaraya inquired about the incident, later Krishnadevaraya heard about this incident. That means the pandits went to the Tenali Rama's house and Tenali Rama done this activity, okay. That means a drama, natak, okay, he has done. So Krishnadevaraya heard about this, and Krishnadevaraya inquired about this to Tenali Rama. That time the Tenali Rama told to him, I only prevented the greedy pandits from exploiting the public. Your Majesty, I did not do anything more, but I only prevented the greedy pandits from exploiting the public. The greedy pandits were exploiting the public. They were exploiting. Exploiting means cheating or taking advantage. They were trying to cheat you. So I stopped that. I prevented. I done only that. Public money is for saving the needy and not for feeding the lazy people. Public money, that means your money means public money, no? So public money is for saving the needy. Needy people means needy and poor people. Those who are in need, and those who are poor, very suffering people, okay, and very poor people. Only those people. Public money is for those people and not for feeding the lazy people. These pandits were very lazy, okay. They are not poor people. They can do work, and but they are lazy, okay, and greedy. So that is unacceptable. That has to be stopped, okay. So I done only that. Your Majesty, said these words by Tenali Rama to the king, okay. Then Tenali Rama returned all the golden mangoes recovered from the pandits. Then later Tenali Rama gave back all the golden mangoes recovered from the pandits to the king. The king smiled to himself, thankful for having such a wise advisor. So the king was very happy, and he said thank you, and he was very thankful for having such a wise advisor. Who was his advisor? Tenali Rama. He was very wise, and he was very expert in finding out the people who cheat others, okay. Did you understand this story? Did you like this story? It was very interesting story, isn't it? Yes. And you collect, okay, when you get time, visit the library and collect more books about Tenali Rama. Very interesting books, folk tales are there about Tenali Rama, okay, and read. Clear? Yes. And there is a description about Tenali Rama is given there. Read it. Tenali Rama Krishnan. Tenali Rama's full name was Tenali Ramakrishna. Tenali Ramakrishna was a Telugu poet in the court of Krishnadevaraya, the king of Vijayanagar. It is believed that he was born in Tenali in Andhra Pradesh. Where did he born? He was born in Tenali, in the place of Tenali in Andhra Pradesh. He later became popular as Tenali Rama. Later he became as popular as Tenali Rama. Though he was known for his wit and wisdom, he wrote serious religious poems. That means he was a poet. He was known for his wit and wisdom, but he was a poet also. Read more of Tenali Rama's stories to know how wise he was. Okay. Then some word meanings are given there in the book. You have to write all the word with the meanings in copy, okay. Listen, I will read the words. Witty, clever and wise. Auspicious, favorable. Outsmart, to be smarter. Desire, to wish for. Orthodox, old fashioned. suggested, to put forward a plan or idea. Relieved, to be free from worry, fear, pain. Approached, to come near. Exploiting, cheating, taking advantage. Terrified, very afraid. Okay, these are the words you have to do in copy. Okay, words with meaning. Make second time, write the heading golden mangoes, then write all these words with the meaning in your classwork copy. Okay, clear? Understand? Then read the lesson very well, at least 3 times. Okay, then understand all the word meanings and learn the word meanings. Okay, bye.